Creatine is the best natural supplement that you can use for building muscle, and it offers results that is the most closely associated with taking anabolic steroids or other performance enhancing drugs, with approximately 10 to 20% effectiveness of taking testosterone. Even though it doesn't sound like a lot, it's going to make a significant difference to a person's changes in the body over time, and that's over and above not taking it. But what is creatine? If you've never heard of creatine before, it's a naturally occurring substance in the body, and it's primarily stored in muscles and some in the brain. And supplementing with creatine can increase its levels in muscles by up to 30%, which enhances strength, muscle mass, performance, and includes brain function. But creatine might not work for everybody. Some individuals, maybe 20 to 30% of people, already have saturated muscle creatine levels, and they may not benefit from supplementation. Vegetarians and individuals with lower will see better benefits. But if you don't take it, you'll never know whether you would respond to it or not. So how do you know if creatine would work for you? First of all, creatine takes time. It needs to get into and saturate the muscles, and benefits only begin after full muscle saturation. And there's two ways to do this. You can do a loading phase, which is high doses of approximately 7 days for quick saturation. This will be taking 10 grams or more per day. Or you can do it the second way, which is a non-loading phase, which is smaller doses of around 5 grams per day for 2 to 3 weeks. And you will know it's working because you will see the immediate side effects. And this includes water retention. So it leads to a fuller look. You might feel some stomach discomfort. So to avoid this, it might be beneficial if you were loading it to take smaller separate doses. It might help to avoid caffeine and dissolving creatine by using a warm water. But there are benefits as well after saturation, and that includes strength gains. You could experience strength gains between 8 and 30% improvement depending on your training experience. Your recovery is going to be quicker between workouts, reported by 81% of athletes in a particular study, and it can improve brain function as well, which enhanced energy to the brain can improve short-term memory and intelligence, especially under stress or in vegetarians or vegans. But if you don't have any of these side effects, there's nothing to worry about. Not everyone feels them, so use strength gains to determine whether it's working or not. Creatine is the best natural supplement to take if you want to build muscle naturally, but it isn't magic. So it should be taken with a healthy dose of proper training, and nutrition should remain your top priority. And finally, if you're not a responder to creatine after the initial loading phase, and it isn't improving your strength, and you're not seeing the other benefits, you can just take the product away. If you want to know 10 other benefits of taking creatine, you can click on that video just there and I'll